Why? Huh? Huh? Are you ready now? Look at me. I'm going to slaughter you today, okay? Are you ready? Hagot? Huh? Are you ready? So, we're going to slaughter the goat now. Ne! Are you afraid? See? Ano lang pag... So, look at them, guys. See? They're so expert now. Are you okay, Karen? Look at Karen. You know, she's pretending to clean the goat, but actually she always holding the ball. So now, guys, I'm the one who cut the ball. Because Karen is been touching how many hours? So now it's my turn to cut.